Children, good morning. Now we are going to start with the second chapter of our EVS all together.
First of all, I explain you the meaning of the chapter heading. That is all together. What is mean by all together? Mean सब एक साथ हैं. We are all united. Now I am going to read the first paragraph and explain it to you. We use air, water and food. Sometimes we see them being misused. Environment gives us land to grow food and build houses. Do we really do anything to maintain and preserve it? It means environment हमें रहने के लिए जगह, एयर, वाटर, फ्रूट ये सब कुछ चीजें प्रोवाइड करता है. तो क्या हम सच में उसको संभाल कर रखते हैं? मेंटेनेंस उसको संभाल कर चलाना. Really do we do it? Now paragraph number 2. Our country is a country with a rich diversity. Our country shows diversity in religion, caste, language, sex and status. It means in our country different types of religions like Sikh, Hindu, Muslim, etc. Are there. One of the biggest example for this is the show of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. In that show, we can see that all the Gokul Dham members belong to different religion, caste and also their language. Like Jethalal and Daya belongs to Gujarati caste, Ayyar and Babita belongs to South Indian, Beer and Madhvi belongs to Maharashtra, Sodi and Roshan belongs to Punjab. Though they all belongs to different caste, religion, also their language is different from one another. फिर भी वो सब एक साथ रहते हैं. वो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए. They all are live together. Although these diversity are there, even then we are provided with equal facilities. We should think about where these facilities are derived from. हम सबको एक जैसी फैसिलिटी दी गई है. फिर वो भले सिख हो, हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, गुजराती हो, गरीब हो, अमीर हो. तो हमें उसके बारे में सोचना है कि ये फैसिलिटीज हमें कहाँ से मिली. थर्ड पैराग्राफ. Here we shall discuss about what facilities we are getting and how much we are alert regarding them. It means अभी आज हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे कि हमें कौन सी फैसिलिटीज मिली गई हैं और उसके बारे में हम कितना जानते हैं. In this chapter, one story is there. The story is
About the two friends. One day, young boy named Aryan came to Ahmedabad. Nobody knew from where did he come. He had no place to live in the new city. For some time, he kept on moving here and there to find a new shelter. And then, after few days, he finds few pipes laid down by the roadside. He finally finds a shelter in one of the pipes. Slowly and slowly, after some days, he manages to get some utensils to cook food. The days were passing by. A new boy named Rahul comes to meet him. This boy was also all alone in the city with no shelter. Aryan invites him to stay with him. Rahul has brought a tent with him. They put the tent in front of their house. This tent now protects them from heat and rain. The two boys now work together, eat together and live happily. Can anybody tell me what have we learned from this story? Let me tell you. We have learned that there are people around us who do not get all the facilities. They do not get clean water to drink and a proper house to live in. So we should not waste what we are getting easily. We should learn to respect our mother nature and our parents.